some coffee. So let's get to making some pancakes. So I wanted an espresso, but it made me an Americano. So it tastes pretty good. That's not what I wanted. Whatever. Just having warm bread with cheese. Anyways, I'm laying here in bed and I still want a burger. So I think I'm gonna go to Burger King and get a burger, but I really don't want to go. So, but yeah, I got this cute little pajama. It's so cute, and it's like for breastfeeding. It's quick and easy access. So cute. Oh, this one lasted a long time. Still hard. But yeah, I wanted a burger last night and I think I'm gonna go get it now, so I can enjoy myself a burger because I want it. So I'm gonna get everybody ready and go get myself. I'm actually going in pajamas. I'm not even gonna get out of the car. But yeah, let's go get that burger. Okay, so since yesterday night, like around 11, I couldn't go to sleep because I was hungry and I wanted to eat a burger at that time. Obviously I didn't eat myself a burger, but I ate some bread at that time. But now, wow, this is a big one. This is a big one. What nuggets? I got some of that. No, nothing.
I ate like a whole bunch of food today.
But eat those. So yeah, look at how big this thing is. Ooh,
my grandma's coming in 12 days.
She's excited. But I forgot to say no onions. No one no onions or bacon. I don't want any bacon. So I got tomatoes there. And I also got some fries and some Dr. Pepper. This burger seems like really big. I don't really crave too much burgers, but I was craving it last night. This is definitely hitting the spot. Outside is like really hot, like really hot. Alright guys, let me enjoy my burger and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, you guys, I just finished cleaning up the kitchen and I feel like my back is hurting and that I'm tired. So I'm gonna take the kids a shower. Actually, they're gonna have like a little bubble bath. I'm gonna put some bath bombs in there for them because I am also planning on doing like a little spa night for myself. So I might record a little bit of that, but I'm gonna also get the kids ready for soon to go to bed. But today is, I wonder what she's looking for in there, huh? I'm having some water actually. I'm thirsty. But I wanted to show you guys this baby Breeza bottle warmer that I got, and I did purchase this used, and so far I haven't even tried it, but it did turn on. Everything works. It's pretty much amazing. Warm up the bottle through your phone, through an app, and it's pretty cool, you guys. So this is what it looks like, and it has like a couple of cool features.
Look at my new water bottle.
Yeah, I got the kids some new water bottles as well.
Mom, I'm gonna use this for school.
And I only got it for like $29, so that's amazing.
Oh my god!
And yeah, my kitchen is nice and clean right now, so that's good. I finally got out of the bed because I was relaxing in bed. I actually put myself in bed rest, you guys. And the reason for that is because my husband decided to leave. Hold on. Hey, 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 hey. Yandel, you ready to take a shower? You can use a bath bomb from the bathroom. You can go get one.
I will do it in a little bit.
Okay.
No.
6 minutes exactly.
And then we can watch a movie. In a little bit.
Okay, so what was I saying?
Is it what you're recording on now?
Yeah.
What about the other one?
I tried to buy a selfie stick to take out this piece and put it on the other one, but this one doesn't come off. So now I'm using a selfie stick. I know, I need it. I need a new mic. But anyways, my husband left, and I'm only 2 weeks away of giving birth. Ooh, I like this selfie stick. So I put myself in bed rest. Well, kind of, because today I was doing a TikTok dancing like a crazy girl, and yeah, I can't even talk right now, you guys. Let me get the kids ready for bed. Kind of. I gotta give them a shower. Well, I gotta get them a shower, get them ready, give them something to eat probably, and yeah. See you guys another. So we printed out this.
We.
Chaidelis, my oldest, printed out this for Natalia right here, and we're gonna learn some times tables, and she loves
Unicorn. My whole room is unicorn.
Unicorn. So, okay, Natalia, do 5 times 4. How much is it? 5, Mama. You're in 6. You see?
Oh, I forgot. I was looking at it.
You was looking at it?
5 times 4?
Mm-hmm. How much is it?
Okay, 20.
Yeah. Good job. Okay, now do 7 times 6.
7 times 7.
What is it?
42.
Yes. 7 times 6 is 42. Learning here some math before bed. Natalia already took a shower. And now Yandel is taking a shower.
A bath.
A bath. Yandel is taking a bubble bath. Oh, you want some bubbles?
Yeah.
The blue ones?
Yeah, I pour it
I put
in. I pour.
You pour the whole thing. I gotta take this bubbles away from them. Mix it around. Ooh, mix it, mix it. He already got a bubble bath. I mean, not a bubble. Bath bomb. Mix the water on, puppy.
Huh?
And
Mom, I have to watch a movie in a little bit.
I don't know about
Can we
movie.
watch a movie at
Look how
like?
big my belly looks.
Can we watch a movie at 3 a.m.? Mom?
At 3 a.m. Yandel?
No, not like no. When it's bedtime, like 3
So,
minutes.
Let me wash his hair and I'll see you guys later. Some water before bed, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in